Welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we are stepping into the future of luxury travel with a vehicle that redefines the concept of a home on wheels. For decades, the Mercedes-Benz badge has been synonymous with prestige, engineering excellence, and an uncompromising commitment to comfort. But what you see before you is not just a motorhome, it is a multi-story architectural marvel designed to dominate the open road and provide an unparalleled sanctuary for those who refuse to leave the suite behind. This is the Mercedes-Benz Alpha Concept, and it is unlike anything the automotive world has ever witnessed. From the first glance, the sheer scale of this machine demands your attention. Bathed in a deep, lustrous crimson red that glows under the studio lights, the Alpha Concept stands as a testament to aerodynamic sculpture and bold industrial design. Most RVs are boxes on wheels, built for utility first and aesthetics last. This vehicle flips that script entirely. The front fascia carries the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille, but it has been reimagined for the 2026 landscape. It features a sleek, illuminated surround and a massive three-pointed star that acts as the heartbeat of the design. The headlights are integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, using advanced LED matrix technology that doesn't just light the road, it paints it. The exterior architecture is dominated by a sweeping, organic staircase that is carved directly into the side of the chassis. It is an invitation to ascend. This isn't just a door, it's an entryway. As you look at the profile, you notice the triaxle configuration at the rear, necessary to support the immense weight of a two-story living space while ensuring a ride quality that feels more like floating than driving. The glasswork is perhaps the most striking feature of the exterior. Massive, wraparound panoramic windows on both levels provide a 360-degree view of the world outside, treated with smart glass technology that can turn from transparent to. Now, let's step inside, because as impressive as the exterior is, the interior is where the Mercedes-Benz Alpha Concept truly lives up to its name. Crossing the threshold, you are immediately struck by the sense of space. Most motorhomes feel narrow and claustrophobic. The Alpha Concept feels like a penthouse apartment in Manhattan. The color palette is a masterclass in modern luxury. Creams, soft beiges, and rich, dark walnut woods work in harmony with cold-to-the-touch marble surfaces. The floor is laid with wide plank hardwood that runs the entire length of the main cabin, providing a grounded, residential feel. To your left is the primary lounge area. A massive, U-shaped sectional sofa wrapped in premium perforated leather dominates the space. This isn't just a place to sit, it's a place to live. The seating is modular, allowing you to reconfigure the lounge for a cocktail party or a cozy movie night. Directly across from the sofa is a flush-mounted 8K display that serves as the hub for the vehicle's entertainment and smart home systems. Large windows flank the seating area, bringing the outdoors in and making the lounge feel twice its actual size. The center of the main deck is occupied by the kitchen and dining area, which puts most high-end kitchens to shame. At the heart of it is a stunning white marble island with subtle gray veining. It features integrated induction cooktops that are invisible until they are turned on, and a pop-up ventilation system that ensures the cabin remains fresh even after a three-course meal is prepared. 3 sleek, brushed metal bar stools provide a casual spot for breakfast or a glass of wine. Behind the island, the cabinetry is finished in a deep matte wood, concealing a full-sized refrigerator, a convection oven, and a built-in espresso station. Every drawer is soft close, every handle is hidden, and the lighting is tucked away in recessed channels, creating a warm, ambient glow that highlights the textures of the stone and W. The upper deck is designed for ultimate relaxation. From the loft, you can look down over the glass railing into the main living area, creating a sense of verticality and openness that is breathtaking. The master suite is situated at the front of the upper level, featuring a king-sized bed positioned directly behind the massive front observation window. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the Grand Canyon or the Swiss Alps, viewed through a panoramic lens from the comfort of silk sheets. The ceiling above the bed is a secondary glass panel, allowing for stargazing at night. The technology integrated into this space is seamless. There are no visible buttons or switches. Everything, from the climate control and the ambient lighting to the tint of the windows and the height of the air suspension, is controlled via voice commands or the integrated touch panels hidden within the furniture. The Alpha Concept also features an autonomous driving suite, allowing the driver to swivel their seat around and join the conversation.